Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for the Learning Management System with the Clean Energy Center. Before you begin your course, we want to provide you with some instructions on how to log in and use the Learning Management System, which we will call LMS for short. Once registered for a course, you will receive a registration confirmation email with instructions on how to log in. The link will be the same for new users or existing users. If you are new, the link will take you to a screen to create a password. If you are an existing user, the link will take you to a screen to enter your password. Let's log in. Once you log in, you will be taken to the home page of the LMS. Here you will see all of the courses that you have been registered for. You can filter your courses by using the Show and Sort fields. You can view your profile information by clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner. The certificate icon will display all of your achievements along with any certificates that you may have earned. Clicking View will take you to your certificate where you can download or print it for your records. Let's look at a course. To begin or resume a course, click on the course name. It is important for you to know that you must watch at least 90% of each instructional video to be marked as completed. If you abandon the video early, before you have reached 90%, the module will be marked as incomplete and you will be unable to complete the course. In this example, we are in the HEP 350 Energy Auditor. The description of the course will provide you with valuable information. We recommend taking the time to read it thoroughly. The achievement section will tell you how far along you are and if you have earned any achievements. While viewing the modules of the course, you may see some with different statuses. Complete means that the module or event was completed. In progress means that you started the module but did not finish. Incomplete means that you have yet to start the module, and passed means that you passed the quiz or survey section of the course. Let's click on an event to view its details. Under the course title is the date and time when this course will expire. When a course expires, all modules within the course will be grayed out, and you will no longer be able to view the content of the course. If we click a module, a video will appear with several player controls, including rewind, play, and closed captioning. In some instances, a table of contents will appear on the left side of the video that will allow you to easily move to different sections. You should know that you will not be able to skip ahead. Once you have watched part of the video, you will be able to rewind and use the table of contents. When you have completed a module, click the Continue button to move to the next module. You can also return to the home page by clicking the back arrow. When taking the quiz, you will be given 3 attempts. If you are unsuccessful, you will need to contact the Clean Energy team on how to proceed. The course survey is required to receive your certification. Clicking on the course survey will provide you with a link to the survey along with a course code. The course code will need to be entered before starting the survey. After completing the survey, navigate back to the LMS. Your course content should all be marked completed or passed. You will receive an email with your certification. You can also click the certificate icon on the LMS homepage to access it. If you need help accessing the LMS or have questions about your certificates, please visit the Clean Energy Center support page. Good luck with your course, and we look forward to having you back with us again.